most. So in this video we are going to discuss the new chapter of JavaScript tutorial in English. So the next chapter of it is we are going to learn data types. What are data types in JavaScript? So we are going to learn one by one. So there are many data types of JavaScript, starting by string. String is an basic text with the inverted comma, double inverted comma or single inverted comma equal to string. That's an basic one. You can say like I will create first here a new file of like 1.html. I will say 1.html created, control B. So basically there are many data types. We will start by string. I will tell you about it. So after that there are booleans. Boolean is a little bit changed but interesting. So boolean equal to bool. Bool is the short form of boolean. So it's boolean used or bool used for what? Bool used for yes, no, the opposite and the like, for example true and false. So that I will write here data types. We are going to learn them, and first I am going to create a p-a, and here I will create here a script tab. In it there are data type string equal to double inverted comma or single inverted comma. After that we can see here boolean equal to bool. Here is one more one. The short form of string is what? str. Bool equal to, example I am going to take yes or no. The next after boolean there is another one that's called int. Int equal to only one number. And then there is one more, that is float. Float equal to two number. Only two number with decimal. After that there will be one more that equal to flex. Flex equal to what? Number with a letter. After flex there is one more one, that is letter. Letter equal to the alphabet. Simple. That's called data. We had learned them, and inshallah we will use it too. So you can try them, and that's so much basic. If you want to create string you will write it, and if you are creating a bool you write the yes, and if you are making int any one number, I will give an example too. So thank you for watching my data types video. So if you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I will meet you in the next video with my new client. Take care and Allah Hafiz.